What is a meme coin? A meme coin is a type of cryptocurrency that starts as a joke or is based on internet memes or funny trends, relying on hype and community interest to gain value rather than having a serious purpose or technology behind it. Imagine a meme coin like a funny limited edition t-shirt. It doesn't do anything special, but if a celebrity wears it or it goes viral, everyone wants one. But once the trend dies down, people might lose interest, and the t-shirt isn't worth much anymore. Popular examples include Dogecoin, which was created in 2013 as a joke featuring the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme, and Shiba Inu, another coin inspired by the same dog, often called a Dogecoin rival. Meme coins can become very popular quickly, especially when promoted by celebrities or influencers like Elon Musk, but their prices are extremely unpredictable and driven by social media trends. They often have a huge or unlimited supply, which keeps the individual coin price low but makes it easy for people to buy in large quantities. While some investors make quick profits when a meme coin gains attention, many people also lose money when the hype dies down, as these coins typically have no real-world use or lasting value. Meme coins are fun and trendy, but very risky, so it's important to approach them with caution and avoid putting in more money than you're willing to lose.